Just if I get lucky, sir. I'm not gonna lie, sir. I've been like eating out of the dumpster pretty much, man. I've been going in dumpsters. I've been doing all sorts of stuff to just try to survive, sir.
Okay,
I'm not gonna
well, that
lie.
doesn't answer my question. I said, how much have you
I'm
made
sorry.
on average in a month?
This courtroom starts with desperation dumpster diving, broken promises, and a father accused of contempt, jail time and child support debts stacking up. Mr. Smith pleads survival, but the judge demands answers. Stay with Meave. This hearing twists fast. Subscribe now for more dramatic breakdowns of real courtroom showdowns.
The 90 days in jail. Do you understand the charges?
Yes, sir.
Court will advise you have a right to an attorney. The court would appoint an attorney to represent you should you desire an attorney. It's my understanding you wish to proceed without an attorney. Is that correct?
Yes, sir. Please.
Are you doing so freely and voluntarily?
Yes, sir.
Has
Yes, Your Honor.
anyone threatened you, coerced you, used any undue influence, pressure, or promises to get you to appear without an attorney?
No, sir.
Okay. Court will find that Mr. Smith does freely and voluntarily waive his right to an attorney. Mr. Smith, before we proceed, I'm going to have you and Ms. Mouton raise your right hands, be sworn in, and then we will proceed.
Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you are about to give shall be the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you, Ms. Mouton. You can proceed.
Thank you. Your Honor, before the court is Courtney Smith. He has dockets 2013-0418 DS with Smith versus Harvey and docket 2022-0851 DS with Rob versus Smith. In the 2013 docket, Mr. Smith is before the court for a bench warrant hearing because he failed to appear for an adjourned show cause hearing, an adjourned compliance hearing on May 29th, 2024 before you.
The state lays out the cold numbers: thousands in arrears, multiple bench warrants, and a year without meaningful payment. The legal reality: courts demand compliance, not excuses. But here's the question for you, Shud. Survival struggles outweigh child support obligations, or does accountability come first no matter what?
Your Honor, he's currently ordered to pay $201 for current support, $87 towards arrears, for a total monthly obligation of $291.50, including service and processing fees. Last payment received on this docket was on May 10th, 2023, in the amount of $105.53, and we received that through income withholding. This is his second show cause, fourth bench warrant, and Mr. Smith has had no previous findings of contempt. I measured his compliance over the last 3 months. He should have paid $874.50. He has paid nothing. Shortfall at the time of the adjourned compliance hearing was $2,332, giving him a total shortfall of $3,206.50. Total arrears due through June 30th, 2024 are $3,106.81. And the 2022 docket, Mr. Smith is currently ordered to pay $553 for current support. Arrears are $133 per guideline for a total monthly obligation of $689.50, including service and processing fees. Last payment received on this docket was on May 10th, 2023, in the amount of $290.33, and that came through income withholding. This is his first show cause hearing. This is the third bench warrant, and he's had no previous findings of contempt. I measured compliance over the last 3 months. He should have paid $2,068.50. He's paid nothing. Shortfall at the time of the adjourned compliance hearing was $5,252, giving him a total shortfall of $7,320.50. Total arrears on this docket are $7,188.39 through June 30th, 2024. Mr. Smith did book into Calhoun County Jail on July 10th, so he would have credit for 14 days. And on his March 27, 2024 bench warrant hearing, front of the court did request, and it was ordered that Mr. Smith be ordered to participate in the LEAP program, Now GEMS program, A support review was ordered, a case questionnaire was sent to Mr. Smith, and he failed to participate in either one of those.
Okay. Mr. Smith, do you dispute or contest any of the statements made by Ms. Mouton?
No, I don't, but may I say something, please?
In a minute. Do you have any
Okay.
questions for Ms. Mouton?
No. Yes, I do, Ms.
Okay.
Mouton. If I was to, yes, I do. Can I go?
Okay, hold
I'm
on,
sorry.
hold on. Don't keep stepping on what I'm trying to say. Just
I
wait a
didn't mean
minute.
to, I'm sorry.
And then
I'm
you
sorry.
you'll have a chance and I won't interrupt you. What would you like to say now?
Okay, I just want to know if I did get like released today, what I have to do, or any day, what when I do get released, what do I have to do? Do I come straight to like the because I've never really dealt with, I know my kids are almost 18, well, my other kids are almost 18, and I've never had a problem. I've never been to jail. I've never not paid. It's this last time has just messed me up a little bit and messed me up in my head, and I haven't been all there. And I'm wondering, like, what do I do when I get out? Is all I need to know from you guys today. Is like, when I get out, what do I do? Do I go
What you have to do is you have to pay your support pursuant to the support orders.
No,
100%.
100%. I'm just saying, like, to get it, like, because I don't have a job or nothing, and because I haven't, I'm trying to get a job. I got applications out there like crazy right now, and I'm just wondering, like, what do I do to like get it? Like, is there a way to the program that I had to participate in last time? When I called them, they said I had to be because I called them, they said I had to be requested by you guys. And I said, okay. And then I didn't know what to do after that. I thought I already was requested by you guys.
Well,
And then
you probably
like
were.
the program.
When you were ordered into the GEMS program,
Yes.
what happened is obviously it takes a period of time. I don't like, let's say for instance today, if you got out after this hearing and you called them, they wouldn't have the order yet. It would probably take you a couple days for them to get the.
That's what happened.
So what happens is you have to wait that couple days, and if they still don't have it, call them back until such time as they confirm that.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You said you have some applications out. How many applications?
I have. Sorry, sir.
How many applications would you say you've put in the last 6 months?
I have put in over 40 applications, and I have proof of it all too. I have it. It's all on Indeed. And I'm also through on staff. And I've already went and took my drug test and everything to them. I was just waiting to hear back from them. And I'm through another agency, but it's online, and I don't know exactly what they're called right now.
Okay.
But I do have proof of it all. I could bring Miss Mouton. I could bring it to her today even. I have proof of it all. I have sent everywhere, and I promise you guys, I wasn't just like sitting duck out there. I was trying my best. And I did call the lead program. Like I said, I didn't know I should have waited a couple days, but they told me that I had to be referred by you guys. That was my fault. I'm not getting with Miss Mouton and asking why I wasn't referred there. That was all me. That was my fault. That was my doing, and I apologize, sir. But I'm not the one to not pay child support like this. I do.
Then comes the gut punch. Smith reveals his son was struck by a car, adding raw emotion to an already tense hearing. Sympathy spikes, but notice the contradiction. He claims responsibility, yet missed programs and deadlines. Viewers, is this heartbreaking tragedy or another excuse to dodge accountability? You decide.
I try to take care of mine. And my son just got hit by a car on 7/19. And I don't even know the condition that he's in or anything right now. And it's like killing me because I can't, in contact with anybody. But he got hit by a car on 7/19. Jaden Smith did. And yeah, I'm just trying to figure out. I just get my life in order, man. Pretty much. I'm when I get out of here, I plan on moving in with my brother. I'm still staying at this pretty much abandoned apartment with my dogs, and I'm about to get rid of my dogs and everything. As soon as I walk out this door, I'm getting rid of my dogs. I'm moving in with my brother. I'm gonna keep continuing to try to pay what I can. I'm gonna try to pay anything that I can. I think I got like $100 at home. That's about the most I got right now. And I promise you that I will be on a job, and I will show Miss Mouton daily if need be that I will. I'm out here looking, and I will put in everywhere. I'm talking out just beside the factories. Like I haven't went to no gas stations or nothing, so I'm going to try that now. It was a little embarrassing going from painting jets to a gas station clerk. You know what I mean? So it just kind of sucked. I let my wife fall out because she left me and she took my kid and she won't let me see him. And I'm gonna get with Miss Mouton about that too, because she won't even let me see my son, and that's messing with my head real bad. So
Okay.
I don't, just other than that, man, sir, I'm trying my best out here.
Give
And I
me an
apologize.
opportunity, give me an opportunity to talk, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. In this matter, you also, a review was commenced at this point, back at the last hearing that you didn't file any of the paperwork to get a review, so.
I don't know like I said, sir, I don't know what to do when it, like, do I just go to Miss Mouton to file the paperwork, or who do
No,
I?
they sent you the paperwork. You have to fill it out and return it to the front of the court's office, and then they will do a front of the court review and determine whether the amount you're paying is accurate or inflated in some way.
Okay, well, Miss Mouton, even knows, because we just talked on the phone yesterday or the day before, we still didn't have the right address even. She was sending everything to 124, it's 126.
Well, okay. That's what I was
It's
going to ask you.
126.
What happens is you have to keep the front of the court apprised of your address.
Yes,
And
sir.
if you move from 126, as you say your address is now, if you move from there, you have to notify them so that they
Yes.
can send you the paperwork.
Yes, sir. I sure will. I promise you.
Okay. What's your education background, sir?
My education, I have GED.
GED, okay. And how have you supported yourself in the last year if you haven't worked?
My cousin, thank God, he owns this apartment building over in on 22nd Street, and I've been pretty much just staying there, and he's been allowing me to stay in an apartment that's not ready. It's not ready to be rented out to anybody. You know, it doesn't have like the everything down in it, like the water runs and stuff, but it just doesn't have everything going for it to be able to be rented out. And he's let me stay there. And other than that, just I mean, little side stuff just here and there, trying to get through to be able to get by. And he's been pretty much, my cousin's been in my life right now. He's been seeing me and everything.
Okay. So you've done odd jobs. What would you say you've made on average in an average month doing odd jobs?
Oh, sir, not much. Just if I get lucky, sir. I'm not gonna lie, sir. I've been like eating out of the dumpster pretty much, man. I've been going in dumpster diving, doing all sorts of stuff to just try to survive, sir.
Okay.
I'm not
Well,
gonna lie.
that doesn't answer my question. I said, how much have you
I'm
made
sorry.
on average in a month?
Maybe $200, $300. And
Okay.
then plus my cousin, I do everything for my cousin for the building so that I can stay there. But that's just to stay there. But then now, like, he wants me out of there too, so I got to get out of there too. So I'm not even going to be staying there anymore to do that. So I'm gonna, every effort I have right now is going to be going towards getting a job, and it will be getting a job. And every effort, every waking moment of my day is going to be getting a job, and I will have a job pretty soon.
Anything else that you would like me to be aware of, sir?
No, sir. Just besides the fact that my son is, I don't even know if he's in the hospital right now. I don't know if he's out of the hospital. I haven't talked to anybody. My probation officer kind of told me which child it was, or I wouldn't even know what child it is. And I would just like you to take that into consideration, please. And please have mercy on me and give me this opportunity to try one more time.
Okay. Well, in this matter, the court makes the following finding that Mr. Smith obviously has a support obligation in 2 cases. He's well aware of that. Again, his last payment was over a year ago, back on May 10th of 2023. He has not paid since that time. That he is seeking employment. He has not, again, participated in the GEMS program, nor did he participate in the support review that basically the court initiated in the front of the court, set up so that he could, in fact, hopefully get a job and hopefully get his support lowered, but he did not participate in that. What happens is...
The judge lays it bare. Failure to pay, failure to participate, contempt of court. The verdict, 24 days in jail, with a $600 purge to shorten time. This ruling highlights the system's balance: compassion for hardship, but zero tolerance for repeated noncompliance. Justice delivered with precision and weight.
He states that he has worked odd jobs making between $200 to $300 per month, that has been utilized to pay his living expenses as best he could. So the court will find that he has failed to exercise due diligence, failed or refused to comply with the orders in this case, and he is in contempt of court. Anything before sentencing, sir?
No, sir.
Okay.
Just that I did try to do the program thing, and I didn't know that I was supposed to wait a couple days to call.
Yeah.
I wish I would have waited a couple days and called back. I wish I wouldn't have got sidetracked trying to do everything and trying to figure out life.
Okay. What the court will do is the court will order you back into the GEMS program. And obviously, when you get out of jail, you'll have an opportunity to call them at that time and see about that. They will attempt to assist you in getting employment. So if you're legitimately want to be employed, they will help you do that. Court will also ask that Ms. Mouton would send you the paperwork again to do the front of the court review. We'll send it to the correct address, the 126.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much.
Hopefully that will take care of it. What I am going to do is you have credit for 14 days served. What I'm going to do is sentence you to 24 days in jail with credit for 14 days served. I will do a purge amount in this matter of $300 in each case for a total of $600. If you can't pay that, then you would, in fact, spend the additional 10 days that you have. Do you have any questions, sir?
No, sir.
Okay, you're free to go. Have a good day.
Thank you. So if I paid 600, I can still get out?
Excuse me?
You said if I pay 600, I can still get out if somebody comes with 600, like?
Yep, $600, 300 in each case. You would then be able, you wouldn't have to spend the additional 10 days.
All right, thank you so much, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Your Honor.
Yeah.
May I just let Mr. Smith know that his son Jaden was hit, but he is doing okay. I did get that.
Case closed. Jail time ordered, but a chance at freedom through payment and programs. Even better, news comes that Smith's son is safe relief in a storm of consequences. What do you think justice served or punishment too harsh? Like, comment, and subscribe for more shocking courtroom stories every week.